If you're experiencing login failures in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue and speed up your access to the game. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Minecraft server status page to ensure that the servers are online and not experiencing any outages. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other websites or applications. If your connection is slow or unstable, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the launcher and check for any available updates. Download and install the updates if necessary, as older versions may have compatibility issues. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you're using the Minecraft launcher, clearing the cache and data can help resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find the Minecraft app and clear its cache. Restart the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing login failures. After reinstalling, launch the game and attempt to log in again. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve your Minecraft login issues effectively. Happy gaming!